Plant FAQs, Hoya Rebecca. Hoya Rebecca, a beginner-friendly climber with starry blooms. Hi, Ferb here. Today, I want to introduce you to the delightful Hoya Rebecca, a climbing vine that's quickly becoming a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. This easy-to-care for Hoya boasts stunning foliage and fragrant blooms, making it a perfect choice for both seasoned plant parents and beginners alike. Intrigued? Let's delve into everything you need to know about this captivating climber. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya Rebecca? Hoya Rebecca is a hybrid, a beautiful cross between Hoya lacunosa, Langkawi Island, and Hoya obscura. This heritage gives it the best of both worlds, stunning looks and easygoing nature. Hoya Rebecca versus Hoya carnosa. What's the difference? Both Hoya Rebecca and Hoya carnosa, commonly known as the wax plant, are popular indoor climbers. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Leaves. Hoya Rebecca has pointed oval leaves with a lighter vein network. Hoya carnosa boasts thicker, rounder leaves with a more uniform green color. Light. Hoya Rebecca thrives in bright, indirect light. Hoya carnosa can tolerate lower light conditions, but may grow leggy. Flowers. Hoya Rebecca produces fuzzy pink blooms with a yellow corona. Hoya carnosa's flowers are typically clusters of star-shaped white or pink blossoms. Growth rate. Hoya Rebecca is a faster grower compared to Hoya carnosa. Ultimately, both Hoyas make excellent houseplants. Hoya Rebecca is a good choice if you prefer a faster-growing climber with unique foliage. Hoya carnosa might be ideal if you have lower light conditions or prefer the classic wax plant look. Hoya Rebecca versus Sunrise. Hoya Rebecca has delicate, heart-shaped leaves that exude a subtle charm, while Hoya Sunrise captivates with its vibrant yellow and green variegation, adding a lively touch to any space. Hoya Cipitangensis versus Rebecca. Hoya Cipitangensis stands out with its uniquely shaped leaves and compact growth habit, creating a neat appearance that's easy to manage, whereas Rebecca's leaves are more traditional in shape, but offer a beautiful glossy texture that catches the light beautifully. How to care for Hoya Rebecca. Here's how to keep your Hoya Rebecca happy and thriving. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. South-facing windows with sheer curtains or east-facing windows work well. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems for Hoyas. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the pot's drainage holes. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for cacti and succulents. You can add perlite or orchid bark to improve drainage. Humidity. Hoyas enjoy moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping your Hoya with other plants or using a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Temperature. Hoyas prefer warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them near cold drafts or air conditioners. Potting and repotting. Hoyas appreciate being slightly root-bound. Repot only when the roots outgrow the current pot, typically every 2 to 3 years. Choose a pot only slightly larger than the previous one. How often does Hoya Rebecca flower? Mature Hoyas, with proper care, can flower several times a year. The blooms typically last for a few weeks and have a pleasant, sweet fragrance. Why are my Hoya Rebecca leaves curling? Curling leaves can be a sign of underwatering or overwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering habits accordingly. My Hoya Rebecca isn't growing. What's wrong? Several factors can contribute to slow growth, such as insufficient light, underwatering, nutrient deficiency, or incorrect pot size. Ensure you're providing the right care requirements, and your Hoya should bounce back. Can Hoya Rebecca be propagated? Absolutely. Hoyas are known for being easy to propagate from stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few nodes and place it in water or a well-draining potting mix. Conclusion. Hoya Rebecca is a captivating climber that offers both beauty and ease of care. With its stunning foliage, fragrant blooms, and manageable needs, it's a perfect addition to any indoor plant collection. So, why not give this lovely Hoya a try and witness its charm for yourself?